Hey guys, I'm really sorry about the background, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on the bottle caps to make like bottle cap pies like bottle cap, whatever you call those. You guys usually use those metal ones from the glass bottles, but you don't really need those. You don't need to be fancy and all. You just need to be just normal. You just need to buy a bottle cap. And for this tutorial, and if you don't have money to afford those or stuff, or if you don't have someone who drinks from a glass bottle, I'll show you. So you just need a regular bottle cap. It doesn't matter how much size. You need foil, and that's all you need. So put your bottle cap. Oh, and this was sponsored by Shiny Glitter Girl. So first you just like cover it with your foil. So just cover it in. And if you have extra foil like mine, just rip it out like that. And then just smooth out the edges.
Huwag mo na itago sa akin yung Amaya. Hanggang ngayon ay iniisip mo pa rin ang iyong pinakamamahal na si Bagani. Mahitalan ko lang mawala ng patutunguhan ka. Ipapaglalas na titirang pagmamahal sa akin.
So just flatten it down if it's too budgy and you just want it more flattened out.
Ano ba talaga ang pakay mo dito, Amaya? Wala akong masamang pakay at ina. Narito ako upang matuto.
So, and that's all. So it's gonna turn out like this. It's gonna look like a cupcake base, but it's not. And yeah, that's pretty easy tutorial. So you don't need to be fancy and all. You don't need those fancy glass bottles. You just need a regular water bottle cap or a different kind of water bottle cap. You just need foil. And that's all. You don't need to spend money on anything. Well, if you don't even have water bottle caps, I don't know what you do. But I have lots and lots at home. So yeah, thank you for watching.